exactly right.
So impossible. I'm scared of that.
By the way, have class. We have to go.
Bye.
Bye.
Sprawling South and Southeast Asia are sinking faster than elsewhere in the world, leaving millions of people more vulnerable to rising sea levels. According to a research conducted by Singapore's Nanyang Technological University, many of these fast subsiding coastal cities are rapidly expanding megacities, where high demand for groundwater extraction and loading from densely constructed infrastructures.
Taking the brunt of the impacts of human-made global warming. Today, the ocean has absorbed about 90% of the heat generated by rising emissions. As the excessive heat and energy warms the ocean, the change in temperature leads to unparalleled cascading effects, including ice melting, sea level rise, marine heat waves, and ocean acidification. These changes ultimately cause a lasting impact on marine biodiversity and the lives and the livelihoods of coastal communities and beyond. The impact that rising temperatures and sea levels have already locked in can only get out worse should the world not take any serious and large measures about it. What's even more worrisome is that within 3 decades, certain areas in the Philippines are projected to be inundated as sea levels continue to rise. Global warming has raised the sea level about 8 inches since 8 Asian due to of this are in 8 Asian countries, including the Philippines. Climate change is a domino effect, but each one of us can contribute even in the smallest thing that we do. As an individual, here are things that we can do to help mitigate the rise of sea level. Reduce your footprint. Greenhouse gases are a major contributor to sea level rise. Protect wetlands. They absorb precipitation and storm surge waters. Learn more about restoration activities in your area.